I am trying to start my own cosmetic business. You might have seen one of my shorts where I explained that I decided to start my own cosmetic line. I plan to do the whole manufacturing myself, which means no third parties or dropshipping, and I plan to do it with $0. Well, not quite. I want to finance it through my side hustles and freelancing efforts. The first step I took was checking out the competition. Shockingly, I found a lot of them. I mean a lot. It seemed to me that every pharmacist or pharmaceutical technician is making cosmetics in his or her spare time. However, there is a positive side for me. Almost none of them are registered. That means no lab testing, no safety precautions, and no registered product. Additionally, they all have a pretty small and unprofessional social media presence. This I can take to my advantage. I found 3 small companies that are in the big boy league. I want to become one of them. However, they seem to have a lot of resources considering their sales channels, their branding, and their products. I tried to identify their strengths and weaknesses so that I could possibly use them. However, we'll see how things are moving along and where can I seize my opportunity. I started working on my products as well. I listed all the distributors of cosmetic ingredients in my country. I filtered out the ones who could provide a safety data sheet for each ingredient ordered. I also favored the ones that have a lot of natural and organic ingredients. I plan on creating small batch natural cosmetics for a decent price. However, I won't allow the natural sticker to mess up the efficacy of the products. I decided to formulate a couple of products for oily skin, dry and sensitive skin, and for mixed skin. I also decided to filter out a male line of cosmetics based on the smell and the afterfeel of the cosmetics formulated, although this isn't my primary goal. I will strive to make quality products. To whom it will be intended will depend on other factors that I will figure out later on. That's it for this week. Subscribe and stay tuned for more.